So welcome back to this channel IBM My Classes. Today in this video session I'll be discussing about tables, derived tables and the ad hoc or you can say in-memory based tables. So let's see the demo. Just do SQL. So I'm creating a table. So everything is table in DB2. So just create a table, create table, just give it the name table1. Say creating this in qtemp library fld1 as char 10 fld2 as char 20. Just press enter. So table 1 is created in library qtemp. So this is table, so we are creating a table through some call with some columns. So that is table. So what is derived table now? So derived table is something which is derived from another table or which is based upon another table. Like here, select star from, then you will be giving the table name always. Select star from table 1. For example, in this case we are selecting from table 1. So as a whole we can see that this is the table 1. Sure, select a star from qtem.table1. Now I want to define a derived table. So how can we do that? Select a star from, I'm not giving the table name here, just inside there select a star from table 1. So I'm selecting the data from table 1. For example, I'm not selecting all the data, I'm selecting just field 1 from table 1, and now giving this table as name table 2. qtemp dot table 1. Sure, so I didn't qualify that. Now we can see the result here, or we can select the both fields using star. So this is the derived table which is created or based upon another table created by selecting the columns from other table. Sure, so this is the derived table. Now come to the ad hoc or in memory based table. So where we are not selecting the data from any other table, we are creating the data at runtime. Sure, just check, see this, select star from, now again this one, start or close the bracket. Here comes the table name, for example table 3. Now here comes the values. So using the values constructor or statement, values, now I'll be giving the value here. Suppose I am giving the value 1. So this is for the first row. So I'm again giving the value, for example 2. Second row, I'm again giving the value, for example 3. Third row, giving the value, for example 4. Fourth row, now I need to give the field name. So I'll be providing the field name here. For example, field name is ID1, for example this one. Now pressing enter, so we can see that we have the table 3 having field ID1 and having data 1 2 3 4 in 4 rows, 1 column and 4 rows. Now suppose I want two columns here, name also. So what I'll be doing, comma. So in values I need to provide two values here, comma, name as say Amit, Amar, for example, Abhay, and fourth one is G. Press enter. Now we can see that we have a table 3 having two fields, ID1 and name, and they have values like one ID1 with name Amit, ID2 with name Amar, ID3 with name Anbhay, or ID4 with name Abhijit. So using this way we can increase the columns as well in ad hoc or in memory based tables. For example, I'm putting address here, address column here as well. So page up, not page up, page down, press insert, addresses, for example India, 3, UK, US, and China. Now we have three columns, ID1, name and address, as we can see the output on the black screen. Sure. So this is the in ad hoc table or in memory based table which is created at the runtime based on the values provided by us only, or the table or field names provided by us only. So using this way we can create a table or derived table or an ad hoc table. So that's all in this video. So thank you and have a nice time.